Welcome into my office. Brian here with you. Let's examine now this 19th century periodical, German periodical from 1871, published by Petermann. It is a standalone, complete scientific publication article regarding the northern half of Australia. And what makes this interesting, aside from the fact that it is scarce, is that at the rear are these two very long folding panoramic style maps like so. Here, very detailed, color lithographed with a profusion of place names as well as dates, early dates of visits and exploration. And this is the first two maps, and it continues over with the next map like so, here, like this. So we have Northern District as well as Queensland here, the whole coastline and so. And this is complete unto itself, this issue. It's extracted from a larger volume. There was issued originally with paper wraps, but this is how it survives, scarce in any condition, and it is available now online from me, Brian DeMambro.